Fluent English practice. Lily at the Los Angeles airport. Excuse me, is this the line for check-in?
Yes, this is the check-in line.
Great, thank you.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, here it is.
How many bags are you checking?
Just one bag.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure.
Your gate is 45B.
Is it far from here?
About 5 minutes walking.
Okay, thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay in LA.
Thanks. Where can I find a taxi stand?
Go straight and turn left.
Got it. Have a nice day.
You too.
At the taxi stand. Hi, is this the taxi stand?
Yes, you are in the right place.
Great. I need a taxi to downtown.
No problem. Are you ready to go now?
Yes, I am.
Do you have luggage?
Just this small bag.
I can put it in the trunk.
Thank you.
Where in downtown are you going?
To the Grand Central Market.
Nice. It's a popular spot.
How long will it take?
Around 15 minutes.
That's fast.
Do you prefer AC on or off?
On, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
Checking in at hotel. Hi, I have a reservation.
Welcome. What's your name?
Lily Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, found it.
Great.
You booked a single room, right?
Yes, that's right.
May I see your ID?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your room is on the 10th floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right behind you.
Perfect. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Nice. Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the key card.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay.
I will. Have a good day. At a restaurant. Hi, table for one, please.
Sure, right this way.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water.
Here you go. Ready to order?
Yes, I'll have a chicken salad.
Great choice. Anything else?
Maybe fries.
Sure.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Perfect.
Here's your food.
Wow, it looks good.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Everything tastes great.
Glad you like it.
Lily at Hollywood Boulevard. Wow, this street is so busy.
Yes, Hollywood is always crowded.
Do you know where the Walk of Fame starts?
Just 2 blocks ahead.
Thanks. Are the stars easy to find?
Yes, they're right on the sidewalk.
Great. I want to see my favorite actor's star.
Which actor?
Tom Hanks.
His star is near the big theater.
The Chinese theater?
Yes, that one.
Awesome. Is it safe to walk around here?
Yes, lots of tourists.
Good to know.
Enjoy Hollywood.
Thank you. I love this place.
Take lots of pictures.
At the supermarket. Jake, do you know where the bread is?
I think it's in aisle 5.
I checked, but I didn't see it.
Maybe they moved it.
Stores change things so much.
Yeah, it gets confusing.
Let's ask an employee.
Good idea.
Hello, excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for bread.
Bread is now in aisle 7.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything else.
Ah, that's why we missed it.
Yeah, it's a new section. Do you want whole wheat or white?
Whole wheat, please.
Okay, I'll grab it.
Thanks.
Shopping is easier together. Speaking English in Los Angeles. Hello, Jake. How's Los Angeles today?
Hello, Lily. It's sunny as always.
LA is perfect for practicing English.
Yes, people talk everywhere. Cafes, buses, streets.
I spoke to a barista this morning.
Oh, nice. How did it go?
Pretty well. She understood me easily.
That's great. LA locals are friendly.
Do you practice English at the supermarket?
Yes, I ask small questions.
I tried asking for directions today.
Really? Did they help you?
Yes, very kindly.
LA is a big city. Easy to get lost.
True, but good for learning new words.
I like talking to Uber drivers.
Nice idea. Good daily practice.
LA makes speaking English simple.
And fun too.